the Trans Am. And you already know what this video is about. We finally got some new wheels for her, and we can finally get rid of those ugly Corvette rep wheels. But we picked up some Weld S71s off of Marketplace. They're in solid shape, good price. Tires, not that great, but we can take care of that. So let me just show you what we got. So we picked up a set of Weld S71s drag pack. These are 17 by 4.5 on the front and 15 by 10s on the back. The fronts have some Mickey Thompson Sportsman SRs, whatever that means, super race car. And they're a 26-inch tall tire. So these should work perfect for the car and look great on it. The front tires, they got quite a bit of life left in them. The backs though, these are the Nitto 555Rs. Not a huge fan of these. The tread is not ideal. They're actually a little better than I thought, but we're just going to run these for the rest of the year, probably smoke them off, and then when summer comes around next year, we're gonna get some Mickey Thompson Street SS's, or maybe they're street radial, we'll see. The wheels probably could use a good little detail and polish action, but we're just gonna throw them on and run them the rest of the year. Then over the winter, we'll probably clean them up real nice. But I got them for, of course, smoking deal off of Marketplace. So let's just set you guys up, get them on the car. I can't wait to see how they look on this thing. Oh, one more thing. If you get some 15-inch welds, you gotta run these lug nuts. They are a shanked lug nut. They kind of penetrate the bore. Some idiot tried to use an acorn lug nut because he got excited and luckily caught it early and didn't hurt the wheel at all, but I can't imagine who would have done that. Oh, let's go. That looks sick. I'll be the first to tell you, it took me a second to get these lug nuts on with that washer and centering them inside the bore, but they look so sick. Quite the fender gap we have going on here with this 26-inch tire, but look at that. All right, folks, check this out. Little side by side. Man, I would think that definitely need a change. Hopefully this fixes my black smoke issue because this one looks much better. We got all of them on and it looks so freaking sick. If anybody wants these things, let me know. They are 18 by 10s and then 18 by, I don't know, probably 8s. I'll have to check, but if you want them, brand new tires, these have a couple passes on them, but let me know. I'm gonna list on Marketplace, but if one of you guys wants them, message me on Instagram or leave a comment down below. But now we're going to get her pulled out, take some shots of it, and then I'm gonna go to the car wash and wash these wheels up a little bit and see how my new wideband sensor is doing. But thankfully, next week we are on schedule with Kent to get a tune revision and probably put it back on the dyno and see if it picks up any more power with the new wideband sensor and a tune revision. And hopefully it fixes my black smoke issue, but let's get this pulled out. Let's see how it looks. This thing has not been started since we got home from Odessa, which was about 3 weeks ago. So this should be a pretty good cold start. Guys, she looks so good. a race car. Dang. Here she is. It looks killer with these welds. I love the S71s. I think they fit the era of the F-body so well. They're just a simple, clean wheel. And the backs, I mean, just the drag pack in the backs has to add like 20 horsepower, right? It is a little close to the caliper in the back still. So I'll probably take these back off and do a little massaging on the caliper. They're already ground down when I got the car and I just threw them on, but they're a little close to my liking. They'd probably be fine, but I'm just going to be safe and take them back off and massage them a little bit. But guys, I'm stoked. It looks so good. I should have done this a long time ago. But like I was saying, I'm on schedule next week to get a tune revision from Kent. Hopefully the new wideband sensor can solve my smoking issue, and hopefully it picks up a little power. But I think the drag pack alone, it's gotta be like 20. But with that, that's going to do it for today's video. If you want to see some more Trans Am action, consider subscribing. I have a lot of plans this winter for it, and I'm looking forward to next racing season with it. Hopefully it's got a little more power than it does now. But thank you guys for watching. I'm excited to keep making some more videos with it, and stay tuned for the next one.